Hey guys, so today we are making falafels from scratch. Pretty simple recipe. I left a list of ingredients you will need at the end of this video. Falafel is a popular Middle Eastern deep fried dish or snack that is made out of chickpeas and a handful of herbs and spices. First off, we want to soak our chickpeas in a bowl of water. Next, prepare your veggies, onion, cilantro, parsley, jalapenos if you want it spicy. We are planning to put all of this in a food processor. We want it down to a grain, just as big as these pieces right here. Next, we're going to put that back into the same bowl where you had your garbanzos, add all your veggies, your herbs, and your spices. And we're going to give that a nice mix. If you don't have chickpea flour for this recipe, you can use flour. That's completely fine. You want to squeeze out just a bit of water or liquid that's inside that falafel bite and form those balls and place them on a tray. Next, we're going to work on the lemon tahini sauce. This sauce is so delicious. You can just drizzle or dip your falafel bites into this. You can also use this for sauteed asparagus or grilled asparagus. It's such a yummy sauce for your veggies. Next, you're gonna need a deep frying pan with some oil, about halfway full, and you will be frying each falafel bite for about 2 minutes each side. Place that into another pan. Look at how good these came out. You want to drizzle some of that delicious lemon tahini sauce. You can snack on these falafel bites or serve them with a side of rice and roasted tomatoes or peppers or even a kebab. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.